Let me ask you something. What if I told you that the days of Photoshop, Canva, and many more might be numbered? Sounds crazy, right? But Google just dropped something absolutely game changing. It's called Nano Banana, and trust me, it's next level. It's Google's next gen image generation model that's blowing up the internet. Also known as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, Nano Banana can keep characters and scenes consistent while letting you change literally anything in an image just by typing in plain English. In this video, I'll show you how to use Nano Banana 100% free, the craziest use cases you've ever seen, and at the very end, the biggest business opportunities with Google's new AI model. So make sure you watch till the end, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive into Nano Banana. What is Nano Banana? Okay, so this is Nano Banana by Google, available right now inside Gemini and Google AI Studio. Here's how it works. Upload an image, give it a simple prompt, and watch it transform instantly. You can even combine two images, add new objects, remove items, or completely redesign interiors. It's seamless and scary good. Crazy use cases. Let's look at some wild examples. 1. Time travel photos. Upload a photo of yourself, and Nano Banana can generate versions of you from different decades, the 70s, 80s, 2000s, and they look shockingly real. 2. Quick shop editing. Think Photoshop, but AI powered. Upload your photo, retouch it, apply filters, even turn yourself into anime in seconds. Live image editing. Want to add text on your shirt? Done. Change your hairstyle to a 1970s look? Done. Remove accessories? Done. You can literally keep typing changes one after another, and Nano Banana keeps updating the same photo. 4. Face swaps and outfit changes. Yes, you can swap faces with celebrities like Zara jacket, upload it, and Nano Banana makes it look like you're wearing it instantly. Business opportunities. Now, here's where things get insane. 1. Marketing and ads. Imagine you have a product, just upload it, and Nano Banana can generate a billboard ad at Mumbai airport, a bus stop poster, or even a digital ad with the perfect slogan. It understands branding, typography, and context, meaning you can create professional marketing campaigns in seconds. 2. YouTube thumbnails content creators. This is a game changer. Take a simple photo of yourself, add a few prompts like coding background, glowing laptop, programming logos, and boom. A ready to use thumbnail that looks professional, literally with just one click. Combining elements. You can also upload multiple images, outfits, pets, cars, gadgets, and ask Nano Banana to merge them into one polished image. I tested it with outfits, a dog, glasses, a car, headphones, and even a parrot. Nano Banana stitched it all together into a single, natural looking scene. No Photoshop skills required. Uploaded my photo plus a Zara jacket. Boom, Nano Banana showed me wearing it instantly. You could let users download the edited image, add more outfit layers, even integrate affiliate links so users can buy the clothes directly. That means real business opportunities. And deploying it, you can launch it directly to Cloud Run, share the app link, and anyone can start using it. All this in under 5 minutes of work. Conclusion. This is just the beginning of what AI image editing will look like. Whether you're a creator, designer, or entrepreneur, Nano Banana is a once-in-a-decade opportunity. Build apps, launch tools, or just supercharge your own workflow. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.